Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, December the 1st. What a month it's been. Markets marched higher yesterday after this OPEC ordeal is behind us. We saw oil surge yesterday, up $4.25, peaked at $49.90, just below the $50 barrel level, but that supported the stock market initially out of the gate anyways. So we saw the S&P surge, made new all-time highs in the futures at 2114. The Dow was also posting new records, actually up 10% for 2016 at one point during the session before backing off. Then we saw the NASDAQ. NASDAQ was negative, down 1.25% on the day. So you're seeing two different worlds when it comes to the stock market, tech versus the S&P and the Dow going totally different directions. So we talked about the crude market driving everything yesterday, so that was a big mover to the upside. Now gold, not so much, down $17, some new relative lows in that gold market as the dollar had somewhat stabilized yesterday. We saw the euro currency push above 106 at the close, but did make some new relative lows, I think, at 105.60. So after the mixed action yesterday with new all-time highs in stocks and essentially closing unchanged in the S&P and the Dow, where do things stand here on this Thursday morning? Well, right now we're up just a bit positive. The S&P's up 3 points, Dow futures up 25, and the NASDAQ right now up 1, but still a dog lagging behind. The market movement continues to be in treasuries. We're seeing a continually downward push, new relative lows in the 30-year bonds, so we're seeing new relative highs in yields. Right now we're at 3.1%, so the march continues. Now we have unemployment numbers that come out tomorrow morning at 7:30 before the stock market open. Expectations of adding 175,000 jobs, and the rate hike for December is a done deal. So I don't see how that's going to have any impact on the markets tomorrow with the unemployment, really a benign event. Looking at gold right now, it's down $1. We're seeing the US dollar back off. It's right now at 101 after making some highs here recently at 102. The euro currency is bouncing a bit at 106.40. Again, we talked about the jobs number as the focus. Now that we've got oil behind us and an update on where we are in crude, crude oil touched $51.50, so it continues to march higher. Let's remember that 52.20 was the high in crude back in October. So to summarize where we're at with half an hour to go before the cash stock market open, a little bit of firmness in the stock index futures right now, up 4 in the E-mini S&P, up 25 in the Dow futures, and up 1 in the NASDAQ 100. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.